Greetings, library patrons. My name is Jeff. I'm with the York County Library, your community link. And in this video, we're going to go over all the other media types that you can view and listen to and watch with Hoopla. You should be logged into your account. If you don't have an account, I want to refer you to my previous Hoopla video on creating an account with Hoopla. So the first thing we're going to look at is audiobooks. If you click on audiobooks there, it brings up the audiobooks the same way the ebooks come up, adults and children by popularity. If I want to borrow, let's say, The Tattooist of Auschwitz, very popular title, I can borrow that by clicking on borrow. You see I have it for 21 days. Borrow that title. I'm going to get this little pop-up reminding me that I can log into my app on any of my devices, and this will be available there. Or I can just play it in my browser, and it starts playing right away down here.
And Zaffa Publishing present
you can hear
this unabridged recording.
I'm going to pause that. And we can leave that up and actually listen to it as we do other things if we want. But I'm going to close it for now. And I'm also going to return this. And you can return anything sooner than it's due, but there's no real advantage for anyone doing that, again, since Hoopla offers simultaneous checkout of all of their items. You're not preventing anyone from getting this if you don't return it. The next thing we're going to look at are movies. Again, it's not Netflix, but there's some great movies here. If you're interested in watching one of these movies, you would click on any of these, Bel Canto, based on a great novel. If I want to borrow it, I just click on borrow. You see it says I have 3 days to watch the movie, and then it will disappear. Click on borrow title. I'm going to get this pop-up down here reminding me I can watch it on my mobile devices. And I can also play it right here in my browser. And again, just like the audio, it will start right away. You can see it starts right away. If I want to pause that, I just hit that pause and go back, hit the back button to get back to this menu. And I'm going to return that now as well. The next item are comics, actually music. Let's go to music. If I want to listen to music, let's say I want to listen to Taylor Swift. She's popular. I will pull that up and click on borrow. It says I have 7 days for music. So remember, I have 21 days for audiobooks and ebooks, 3 days for movies, 7 days for music. So I hit that borrow that title. I will get this reminder. And I can play it right here. It starts right away. And I can turn the volume up over here if I want. I'm going to hit pause and stop that. And that's music. Now we're going to go down to comics next. Let's say that I want to read a comic, The Lightning Thief. That's a very popular graphic novel. Sometimes they're referred to as graphic novels. If I want to borrow that one, I have 3 weeks, 21 days to borrow it. I click on borrow title. I get the reminder here. This is new, something I haven't seen before. I can turn on kids mode in the settings menu. So remember that, parents. I can read it in my devices. I can read it here in the reader, and you can navigate much like the book reader. You can navigate with these arrows or with the keyboard arrows. Now the writing you might not be able to see all the writing, but as you see, there's a magnifying glass connected to your cursor. If you can't quite read the writing, you can hover over it and it will make it larger. You can also change some settings down here. There are settings, and you can exit the reader right here. So we're going to exit that. The next item would be ebooks, but we've covered those. So we're going to go to television. Again, it's not Hulu, it's not Netflix, it's not any of that, but there's some fine TV here. Doc Martin is a popular TV show. I think I might have that one already checked out, but actually I don't. And there is no checkout here because TV is a little different. Each episode counts as one title. So if I had 8 titles to check out, there are 8 titles in this season, I could binge watch this entire season. And you, just like movies, you have 3 days to watch an episode. I'm going to borrow To the Lighthouse, the first episode of this season. And I get the pop-up, and I can hit play here. And again, it starts right away, episode of Doc Martin. We're going to hit pause, and we're going to hit back on that. Now that you know where to find things, you can also click on this menu here, and you can do a search for specific titles if you're looking for specific titles. So you can look for any of these items, a specific title, or you can look for author or people. So you can do that with search. Now, one thing that is not readily apparent is where's the help menu. And this is helpful for lots of websites, not just Hoopla. But if you don't see the menu item that you're looking for up here, and the one I'm looking for is the help menu, I don't see it up here. So if you scroll down to the bottom, there it is, help. So if you click on help, it brings up these frequently asked questions. This is a great help section. And one of the neat things about Hoopla, the TV and movie material in particular, is you can watch them on your TV. If you have an Android TV or a Fire TV or Apple TV, any of your TVs, Roku, most TVs, modern televisions, will play this information, and you can click on any of these and get step-by-step instructions, what's supported, what's not. There are links that you can go and get more help. So it's a great help section. You're not going to find it at the top. You'll find it down at the bottom under help. And that is it for Hoopla. If you have any questions, don't forget that contact us link on our website. And our next video, we're going to be looking at Overdrive, which is a different service that provides ebooks and audiobooks, and they have a huge selection. So join us for that. In the meantime, stay safe and keep using your community link, YC Libraries Virtual Library. Have a great day.